Hey guys, what's up? This is Mikas. I want to introduce you to a brand new WMDM Desktop app. And right now, if you download it, guys, you get those 8 projects here for free. Basically, really good template, mastering template, some Ableton template, some for Logic, some FL Studio, even a Cubase template that I drop in there right now. And basically, our app is the best complement to our site. So if you buy and download stuff from us, basically you can go in here and you just push download, and then you go into downloads here. It's gonna download it, it's gonna put it straight where you need it to be when you want to use it. That is in Logic Pro, Ableton, FL Studio. You do open template, I'll show you in 1 second. And even further, guys, what's happening is if you buy, let's say, some Serum preset, some Spire preset, or some things like that, they are automatically parsed in the right place. So you don't even need to install the bank. They get straight where they belong, which is really cool, I think. And it is also linked to our Bridge app, which I will feature a little bit later. I'll give you a demo. So basically, I'm downloading here this one. 349 is downloaded, so I can go in there and oh no, it is not downloaded. This one is downloading. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Logic here. It's pretty simple. Go open recent. Now go new from template, and gonna see here everything that I downloaded from in the app is already in the template, and it will stay there. I would recommend everybody to leave those there as template, and when you remix the project and you do something with it, save it in a new folder for you. So basically, I'm gonna open one of them, which I really like. So it's all my project, and I can work on it, of course, because this is our template. Another thing that is featured into this app that is really cool, guys, is that there's a complete store in it, and when you log into the app, you don't need to log into the store. It's already there. Everything that's on WMDM is there, and when you go on there and you buy it, goes straight onto the app. And of course, in the library here, you can listen to the track that you want to. Let's say you have a lot of content, you have a lot of capellas, you can put them in there, and of course listen to it here. It's really cool, it works, it's amazing, guys. It's really a time saver, and combined with the Bridge app, which I will present into another video, it's really is a game changer for anybody that uses our platform. So you have to check it out and download the app, guys. It's available for Mac and Windows. Check it out.